Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Jeff, and I'm here to guide you on a journey to inner peace and relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and let your hands rest naturally. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's begin. Grounding, connecting to the present moment. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool and refreshing. Notice it as it leaves, warm and soothing. Take another deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. You are safe, secure, and grounded. With each breath, imagine tension leaving your body. Starting from the top of your head, feel a wave of relaxation washing over your forehead, your cheeks, your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your arms, your hands, and your fingers. Feel this calm flowing down your chest, through your back, and into your legs, all the way to your feet. Visualization, creating a peaceful mental sanctuary. Now, picture yourself in a beautiful, tranquil setting. It might be a lush green forest, a serene beach, or a quiet mountain meadow. Hear the gentle sounds of nature around you, the rustling leaves, the soft crash of waves, or the sweet songs of birds. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the coolness of a gentle breeze. In this place, you are completely at peace. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this environment. Let your senses come alive. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming one with this serene place. Your worries fade like clouds drifting across the sky. Affirmations. Now that your mind and body are calm, let's fill your thoughts with positivity. Silently repeat after me. I am calm. I am safe. I am strong and capable. I let go of what I cannot control. I welcome peace and joy into my life. Feel the power of these affirmations settling into your heart. With each repetition, they become a part of you. Closing and awakening. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Feel the surface beneath you once again. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of peace and relaxation with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay peaceful.